Hello guys, wanted to make a quick and short video regarding what does a dentist do, what are the different problems and treatment protocols does a dentist follow. Many of us think dentist deals with only teeth, only gums. No, that is not true, and especially as Indians we are dealing with quacks here, so we need to eradicate this quack dentistry, and it is very tough. We need to eradicate this quack dentistry. How that can be done? By getting to know the dentistry properly, spreading awareness. So I will explain in brief about each and every what each department does. Coming to oral pathology. Oral pathology deals with forensic odontology. What is forensic odontology? It is the Sherlock Holmes stuff. In a scenario, in a crime scene, we deal with victims and all. I'll give you a particular scenario. If the scenario is burnt, if the fire influence is there, how can you identify the victim? See, no matter how what is the temperature, but teeth and your jaws will be left. A dental record can reveal your identity. And oral pathology deals with the biopsies. They keep each slide under microscope and they see what is the underlying issue. Next is conservative and endodontics. So what these guys deal with is they deal with the pulpal and endodontics. Endo means inside the tooth, and conservative dentistry. If you have caries, how to conservatively conserve your tooth. You might have heard the term RCT. These guys are the specialists of it. Pedodontics. Pedo is small children, dontics is dentistry. So we deal with children, the developmental defects. Pedodontists deal with the developmental defects and etc. Everything regarding children. Everything. Okay. Oral surgeon does many things. For example, dealing with the fractures of the different bones on the face. Oral surgeon deals. I'll give you a particular scenario. If I met through an unfortunate road accident, what does the oral surgeon does is he will fix your jaw, but that should be in proper occlusion. There, oral surgeon will come into picture. He'll fix your jaw. He'll put your teeth in a proper alignment so that you can eat in future. Something petty that an oral surgeon is good at is removing the tooth. That is called extraction of the tooth. Oral medicine. These guys are the diagnosed specialists. They deal with OPGs, they deal with CBCTs, they deal with IOPS. IOPS is small X-ray for individual tooth. So these guys diagnose your disease properly and they give the treatment modalities or treatment protocols. A periodontist. What does a periodontist do? Perio means around the tooth. So if there is teeth, what all the things are around the tooth? There are gums, there is many ligaments. I don't want to confuse you with many other stuff, but in short, the bone and the gums, they are specialists on it. Okay. And something they do on regular basis, that is called scaling. Scaling is cleaning the tooth from both crown to the root. There is something called subgingival scaling if you guys are interested. Prosto, that is my department. What does a prostodontist do? We give you a new prosthesis. If you lost the tooth, we'll give you a new tooth. If you lost your ear, we'll give you new ear. If you lost your nose, we'll give you new ear. If you lost your eye, we'll give you new eye. Prosto is replacement of your natural tissue. If you're lost due to any incident or any accident, we'll replace it. Orthodontist, you might have been familiar, at least by many of us. Small children who wear braces. The braces are placed by orthodontists. These are the treatment we do on regular basis. The specialized treatments are orthognathic surgeries. They do orthognathic surgeries. They mend with the jaw. They shave off the jaw if your jaw is too high, too low. Do mandibular and maxillary movements. If something is less or more, they get your face in a perfect profile to make sure that you have a awesome smile. There is something called community dentistry or public health dentistry. What this department deals with is a dental condition or dental health or oral health of a community, of an area, of a huge population. Yeah, so different kinds of population, they conduct camps on regular basis, and these are the departments that dentistry has. Many of us think these are just 32 teeth, so why do we need to read so long? See, there's a reason why dentistry became a separate specialization. Yeah, but as of now in India, our economic status is not so high. Many people don't get food 3 times a day, and how can they afford this dental treatment bills. So they go with quack, and quack should be stopped. See, and stay safe and cheers, guys.